Hey Lawn Care Nation, so in this video I want to talk about doing vacation or temporary cuts as a good service provide for another revenue stream for your business. So this lawn here that we're going to be doing next is a vacation cut that I've been doing actually for many years. So I've got a list of clients that I actually only do vacation cuts for. Every year they call me every time they go on vacation or they're not able to mow the lawn themselves. So in that sense, they're a regular customer, except I'm not visiting every week. But some of them are, mowing for say 2 to 3 weeks at a time, multiple times throughout the season as they go on vacation at different times. Some of them are mowing for a month or two at a time, once a season. So it all varies, but it's another great way to just add some extra income to your already established mowing routes in those dense areas, and you can get some really loyal customers like this as well. This customer here actually I got because of doing the other house a few doors down that I talked about in that other video of mowing a lawn and earning $20,000 on that single lawn over the years. It's because of doing that lawn that the neighbor here walked up one day and talked to me, and I've now been doing this neighbor's lawn for just for his vacations every year, about 2 to 3 times a year. I'll mow this lawn for 2 to 3 weeks at a time, and I've been doing it for at least 6 years now, since I started doing the vacation cuts. So like I said, a really good source of revenue. Also on this one, I'm going to be using the RZ mask because of the huge cottonwood trees above. Right now there's a bunch of leaves falling already here in June, and the cottonwood fluff is in the air, just starting, and I get into like a major coughing fit once I start mowing these properties here, so I got to wear the RZ mask for these ones. So you can see the big cottonwood trees up in the air, and the house there on the corner with those big hedges, that's the other house that I do. This one's also really nice and simple because it's just the front yard that I take care of. In the back there's no grass, it's just a swimming pool. So really nice and easy to go from the house in the corner and then a couple doors down to do this one. Quite a bit messy here, so we'll have to blow the leaves onto the lawn first. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation, a nice, easy little vacation cut to add to, already being on this street, a few houses over, doing a, regular weekly cut. Just a great little, income addition there. It always feels to me, the vacation cuts almost like a side hustle to my main hustle, doing, little vacation cuts here and there, or temporary type mows. So you will naturally have people contacting you looking if you're available to do temporary mows. So it's a good idea to advertise it on your website, your Facebook page, your Google My Business page, that you accommodate vacation or temporary mows, and that'll help drive some of that additional traffic to your business. Also, it's like a domino effect as well. Like I said, I start with that regular weekly mow that I've been doing for many years, and then this neighbor saw me a few years ago, asked me if I could do a vacation cut for him. I've been now regularly doing vacation cuts for him. He then had me do aerations for him, and I started doing that. And as a result of that, then a neighbor across the street saw me doing his aeration and asked me to do that aeration as well. So the other thing to consider, guys, with a vacation cut or a temporary mow is that it's perfectly acceptable to charge a premium price for that. In a lot of cases, your schedule may already be completely full, and it can put a strain on your workflow and your workday to fit in that temporary mow. So in most cases, those people that are looking for a temporary service want the peace of mind of knowing that a reputable company is looking after their property while they're gone, and that they don't have to worry about it, that they can just enjoy their vacation and know that their property is being looked after, and that it's gonna make the property look like it's being lived in, that it's not being left unattended while they're gone, making it a target to potential would-be burglars. You're getting these from people that are seeing you working in those neighborhoods that you work in, and they see you in a lot of cases for months at a time beforehand, or even years at a time beforehand. So they know that you're reputable. They know the quality of work that you're doing each and every week. So they are more than willing to pay a little bit more to have you fit them into your schedule. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you take on temporary or vacation cuts in your lawn care business. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.